Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right here on the screen is a free Forex No Deposit Bonus $100 that you can get without depositing any money into your account. You can actually get it for free, and I'll be explaining how in this video. As you can see, number one, no deposit required, and the terms and conditions to be able to withdraw from this free $100 Forex No Deposit Bonus is very simple. And also in this video, I'll be showing you how you can actually connect your free $100 Forex No Deposit Bonus account to your MT4 or MT5 trader platform for you to start trading right here in this video. Now, before I start, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, make sure that you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, because very soon after this video I'm going to be making a video on how to claim a free 5k instant funded account, and I don't want you guys to miss out on it. So make sure you are subscribed and turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video, you'll be the first person to get it. Now, this particular YouTube channel is majorly for free no deposit bonuses, free profit account, and free forex giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned and stay active. Now that you are done with the first step, the second step is for you to click on the link in the description of this video, and the link will also be in the comment section. Once you click on the link is what you'll be using to get to this interface through my Telegram channel. So once you've gotten to an interface like this, as you can see, there are full details right here on the screen. It is clearly obvious that you don't have to deposit any amount and you can actually withdraw your profit. Now, you will need to claim your bonus within 14 days of receiving your invitation. So now, there are 3 steps that you have to go through that I will be explaining in this video. Number one is, I want you to know that no deposit is required, and also I will be explaining the terms and conditions for withdrawal right here in this video. I'm not lying. So I'll also be teaching you how you can connect it to your MT5 and MT4 trader platform. So now to proceed, all you have to do is to scroll down, and as you can see, no deposit and first deposit bonus. So these are 2 packages that they have for us. The one we'll be going for is a no deposit bonus. So to participate in it, just click on join now. Immediately you click on join now, you'll be taken to this place. Okay, we are taken back to where we are not supposed to be brought back to. Hold on. So just like I said, click on this join now. Immediately you click on it, click on this claim your bonus, and immediately you click on claim your bonus. This is where you'll be taken to. Now the next thing you have to do is for you to create an account with them, and for better usage of this platform, you can click on go to app. There are some features that you have access to that some people who are using websites will not be able to have access to. So now to create an account, come down below and click on create account. Now this video might be long, I don't know, but I want you to watch it to the very end, because the last video I dropped, a lot of people didn't watch it to the very end and they were affected by it. So now once you've got into an interface like this, the next thing you have to do is to select an individual account. Don't make a mistake by selecting a corporate account. So once you've selected it, enter your first name, your last name, your email, and the country residence you are from. So now, as you can see, there are a lot of countries that are here, and it is available for all countries. So make sure you scroll down very well so that you can be able to get it. So this is Nigeria right here. This is Nigeria, as you can see. Under the selected country of residence, your account will be created, as you can see. Now the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your state, select the state you are from, and while entering your password, make sure that your password is secure, and after that click on start trading. Let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So when I click on this box right here, they brought it out for me to enter my affiliate code. So enter the code that you see there, and in case you don't find any code, just don't click on it and click on this one instead in order for you to proceed. So just as you can see, I've entered my login details and my account details. The next thing for us to do is for us to click on start trading, because I don't have an affiliate code. So since I don't have an affiliate code, I'm going to be clicking on start trading. So immediately you click on start trading, as you can see, just click on save for better login next time. So immediately you click on save, just hold on and wait for the interface to fully load. As you can see right here on the screen, the account has been successfully created. So this is it. Hold on a bit. As you can see, they've sent you an email. They've sent you some things to your email account. So now we are going to be creating a live account right here, because we are not going to be creating a demo. And there are two platforms that you can use to start trading right here on this platform. One is your MT4 trader platform, and one is your MT5 trader platform, and one is your C trader account. All right, so as you can see, this is it right here. This is it. Now let me show you what else you have to do in order for you to claim this free $100 free Forex No Deposit Bonus account right here in this video. So now the first thing you have to do is for you to verify your account. So to verify, just click on continue with live accounts, because we are not here for demo. As you can see, there is no wrong option. I have pre-selected the most popular choices to help you move faster, but you can choose whatever it is that you want. So now all you have to do is to select what you want. So I'm going to be selecting MT5 trader platform, and after that I'm going to be clicking on confirm. It has been selected already. So your account type, let's select our account type. As you can see, this is where you'll be selecting your account type right here on the screen. So I'll be selecting Terra. So once you're done, just click on confirm, and after you've clicked on confirm, choose the currency you want to use to start trading. So I'll be going for USD, and after that choose the leverage you want to use. Choose the highest leverage. If I were you, I would choose the highest leverage. So I'm going to go for the highest leverage, as you can see, and you can also use the one you meant there. So after that, just click on create new account. Immediately you click on it, this is where you'll be taken to next. Just few more details. We are regulated broker, so to open your live account we need to collect a bit information from you. So now this is the process. You have to fill in your personal information. So you can just enter your middle name if you want to, enter your gender and your correct date of birth, because if you want to withdraw, and even while verifying your KYC, you still have to use your original date. You use your NIN, which is going to reflect every single details of you. So after filling in the things you have to do, you can just select your country right here. After you are done with everything, you can just click on submit form. So let me just do mine, and I will get back to you shortly. So immediately you are done, as you can see, in order for you to get verified fully, this is the next thing you have to do. Let me help you make your account more secure. So you are going to be verifying your email address. As you can see, a link has been sent to your email account. So for you to activate the link, the next thing you have to do is to go to your email in order for you to activate the link. So let's head on to our email account to see the code. So as you can see now, this is it right here on the screen. This is the code right here on the screen. This is it. Now all you have to do is to click on verify account, and as you can see, there are 3 account stages that you can have right here. The one we are going to be going for is a light user account. It is a live user account. All right, so just hold on a bit, let's continue. So click on verify my account. Immediately you click on it, you'll be taken back here. So hold on, wait for it to load so that we can activate the link. As you can see, your account has been verified. So now let's head on to the next thing we have to do. Now you can add, do you want to use a passkey to log in? So I can just click on not necessary. So this is where you'll be taken to right here on the screen. As you can see, this is it. So as you can see currently, this is where you have to pay a full attention to what I'm going to be showing you. As you can see, I said there are 3 stages the other time. There are 3 stages, and the one we are currently at is a demo stage. So in order for us to proceed to the one we want, we have to upgrade account. So click on upgrade your account. So this is where you'll be taken to. Guys, so right here on the screen is the particular app. Okay, I went to my Google Play Store to download this app, and as you can see, I figured out that in order for you to successfully verify and upgrade your account, you have to download their app and click on upgrade. So immediately you click on upgrade, you can now do everything right here by clicking on start verification. While verifying, you might face some certain situations, some certain difficulty. All you have to do is to reach out to their customer care right here in case you are having any problem with your verification. So after you are done verifying, congratulations. The next thing for you to do is for you to open a new account. So click on create new account, and as you can see, I've not been able to upgrade my account. So assuming I have been able to upgrade my account, I would have go for live. So once you click on live, just click on continue. All right, so this is where you'll be selecting the more details you need and the things you need. So after that, you are automatically going to receive the free $100 free Forex No Deposit Bonus into your account. And in case you are not able to receive it, all you have to do is to click on this customer care icon, click on this message icon, and you'll be taken to somewhere like this. All you have to do is to set them your ID and tell them, how can I get my free $100 no deposit bonus? This is my ID and I have verified my account. So that's it, guys. If there is any other thing you have to know, I might make a video about this. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and in case you have any problem, come and watch this video again. Your problem will be solved. Bye.